Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find and follow on Starmaker. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Starmaker application and if necessary, log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will land on this interface. Now, from the bottom of this interface, tap on the microphone icon. And from here again, tap on the search bar that you will get at the upper of this interface. Here, type in the username or name of that account whom you would like to follow. Once you search for that, at the top from the menu bar, there you get to choose an option that says songs, artist, moment, duet, room, and there you will get people. Tap on people and here you will get all the accounts loaded with the name that you recently searched for. Now select the account that you would like to follow and tap on the follow button that you will get to see at that account. And that's how you find and follow people on Starmaker application. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.